I'm Sofia Garcia.
I'm Isabella Cabezas.
Rachelle Ramos.
And this is our project on Judaism and conservation.
Oh, and Ryan too.
Oh, yeah.
Judaism was founded in approximately 2000 BC. Some key figures include Abraham, who is known as the founder of Judaism, his grandson Jacob, who chose the name Israelites, and Moses, who freed the Israelites from Egypt after being enslaved for hundreds of years.
Judaism is a nearly 4,000-year-old monotheistic and ethnic religion that developed on the eastern coast of the Mediterranean Sea. It is the first of the three Abrahamic religions, along with Christianity and Islam. It is considered an ethnic religion, which means that it is mainly followed by those who are ethnically Jewish and do not actively seek out converts. It has approximately 15.2 million followers to this day from all around the world in countries such as Israel, the United States, France, Canada, and the UK.
While Genesis 1:28 can be interpreted in several ways, one way to look at it is the word dominion, which means responsibility for, but not control over, the animals of earth. Humanity has the duty to protect God's creations, especially its living creatures. Jewish people are instructed to treat animals with respect and kindness. Jewish law indicates a number of commandments dealing with the care and conservation of animals. For one, under the covenant given to Noah by God, the importance of caring for every living animal is heavily emphasized. That's why Noah's Ark included all animals. More broadly, there is an entire commandment that deals with the care of animals. It prohibits the unnecessary infliction of pain and suffering on animals, which could be interpreted further as a calling for animal conservation. Of course, Jews are still allowed to use animals for food, clothing, or work, but with respect for those creatures. In fact, Jews are not allowed to simply pass a wounded or suffering animal and not help, even on the Sabbath, the day of rest.
As a 4,000-year-old religion, the relationship between Judaism and the environment is quite an important one. One of the most significant parts of Judaism is the idea of Bal Tashit, which instructs followers to not waste or destroy resources. The commandment forbids needless destruction of resources, anything from food to clothes. Of course, this also includes environmental resources like water and energy sources. Jewish teaching notes the importance of preserving our current resources so that our future generations have access to them. What's more, planet Earth is interpreted as a loan to humanity from God, so it is our responsibility to protect it. In fact, in the book of Genesis, it says that humans must replenish the earth and have dominion over its creatures. The first part of this lends to Judaism and the environment, that Jews have the responsibility to care for Earth. The second part lends to Judaism and animals.
These are our sources.
And these are our credits. Artwork by Sofia Garcia, art assistance by Rachelle Ramos, research by all of us, Sofia Garcia, Rachelle Ramos, Isabella Cabezas, Ryan Turner, and bibliography by Isabella Cabezas.
Ignore the groundhog.
Start.
Yeah, both go. Ready? Wait. Go, I can cut it.
Just restart it.